My name is Rev Dr Barry King, and I've worked with spiritual energy and in spiritual life for many, many years. I'm an interfaith minister. I'm also a master psychic medium, and I'm a Reiki Master as well. I'm also registered as a naturopathic therapist and have worked with healing for quite a number of years. I am offering a workshop on healing, and I call it universal healing. But what it is, it's integrating the energy that really all modalities utilize, the energy that heals and renews people. So join me. It's a day workshop. And in that time, I'll give you the tools you need to practice and work with people and to experience healing yourself, both in the giving and receiving. Thank you.